If you want to run a simple SketchUp model into a stunning ultra-realistic modern house render, in this video I will show you step by step how to model clean modern home in SketchUp, then transform it into a photorealistic render using AI faster and smarter than traditional workflows. No shortcut, skip, no confusing theory, just a clear, repeatable process you can use for any modern house design, whether you were a beginner or a professional. Watch until the end because this workflow will completely change how you create high-end architectural visual. Okay, first of all, we can just create the rectangle. We can use the rotate rectangle and click from the position, and then we can type around 5 meter and enter. Then we can move it to the behind around 18 meter here. Then we can click this surface and select a push pull, push it up around 400. Okay, then we can triple click my group. Okay, then we can triple click this one and select this line and select move, type control, move to the behind around 1.5 meter, enter. Okay, then we can click this surface and select a push it down around 50 millimeter, enter. Okay, now we can create the wall. We can use the rectangle, click from this corner to the corner. We can click from this corner to this corner. Okay, and then we can click these surfaces and select offset tool, offset it inside 150 millimeter for wall thickness, and click the surface, right click and erase, click the surface again and push it up 3.5 meter and enter. Then we can triple click my group. Okay, and then we can make a slab in here. Anyway, we only focus on exterior to make it faster. Then we can push it up around 300 millimeter, enter. Then we can triple click my group. Then we can select move it to the position. Okay, then we can make the space for the stair and some connection for the ground floor until the first floor. Anyway, then we can click from this wall and select move, type control, click from the corner to this position. Okay, and in this way we can click this one and select this area only and select move to the front in here, approximately like this, to make a cantilever. We can move it around 2.2 meter to be a cantilever. Then we can select only this area and select a push pull, push until this position. Okay, then we can click the surface and this surface and fulfill until this position anyway. And then we can click from this corner to the corner. Okay, then we can push it until to the limit. Okay, and then we can click this one and place to the position. Okay, then we can push it until to the limit. Okay, and after that, we can select a move, type control, place to the position about this line because we have to make it full in here. Okay, and then we can make this simple slab in here. Okay, and we can click this surface and push it up around 150 millimeter and triple click, then make group. Okay, then we can select a move to the proper position over there. Now we can make a simple roofing in here and push it upper position. We can use the rectangle for there. We can click this line and select move to the to this position because this is for the mechanical plumbing purpose in here. Then we can select the roofing. We can select roofing purpose in here. Okay, now we can select the line, click from this corner to this position anyway, and then we can triple click this line and offset it inside like this. Okay, and then we can complete the unconnected line over there to make it a plane. Then we can double click the plane until appear the appearance like this. Then we can select push until, and then we can push it until to the position and give the space a little bit in here. Okay, then we can triple click my group. Okay, and after that we can make the glazing. We can make the futuristic glazing. I have an idea to make a borderless glazing in here. This is a borderless glazing. Okay, for this corner. So we can select the line and select move, type control and place to the position. Okay, and then we can place it to the position, then we can push it to the behind. Okay, so this is the corner glazing. Then we can select the line to make a glazing in here. Okay, and place to the position, then we can offset it outside like this and complete the unconnected line over there, and also this one. Then we can push it up until the position, and we can triple click, make group, and don't forget to assign the materials with the glazing materials over there, and select the line, select move, type control, and place to the position. Then we can type 3/ and enter. Okay, and this is for the cornering glass. We can look that this is the modern vibes of glazing. Then we can add more cantilever shape in here, just like this. Okay, and then we can also push it to the front like this for the cornering, and then we can make the additional item over there. Then don't forget to make the entrance. Anyway, we can make the entrance like this, and make the simple door with the glazing. Okay, we can make this simple door with the glazing. Okay, then we can triple click, make group, and assign about the glazing. Okay, then we can triple click for the line, select move, type control, and place it to the position. Then we can type 3/ and enter. Okay, so this is about the entrance, and we can also make the simple door handle in here. Then we can assign it with metal materials like this, and also this one we can assign about this one, and we can make the another door frameless glass door elements in here like this. Okay, we can select move, type control. Okay, and place to the bottom position in here. Okay, and this is about the bottom position. Okay, and then we can make the another elements. We can use this wood to make it the interior flooring, and we can assign this one to make the flooring, outdoor flooring over there, and we can make this one the step. We can make the step. Okay, this is for the outdoor flooring. Okay, and we can make the disability access in here. We can make the disability access in here. Okay, and then we can assign. Anyway, this is not ideal, so you can improve it. Okay, then we can assign this to be materials, or maybe just for front materials, just for front. Okay, and then we can extend this one. Okay, we can extend this one until to the position, and then we can make the plane in here, and can make group about the plane. Okay, then we can make the barrier. We can make the barrier in here. Okay, just like this, and then okay, then we can add more elements. We can add more elements with using this one, or using this one. Okay, so this is about the elements, and we can select the color. We can select the color to make the color of this carport. Anyway, this is for this carport. Okay, and then we can assign about the another materials over there, and we can select the another stone maybe. Okay, we can assign with this stone, and it is so simple. Because we can make it perfect. We can make it more perfect with AI renderer. Okay, so we can screenshot this picture. We can screenshot this 3D model. Okay, and maybe we can select the glazing for the first. this is a grazing elements, and this is also a grazing element, so we can prepare about the grazing. Okay, and we can assign we can assign for the pavement. We can assign for the pavement materials. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then we can screenshot this 3D model. Okay, we can use the screenshot button on our keyboard like this and select a copy, and we can paste in this Gemini, and don't forget to set the make a picture with a Nano Banana like this. Then I've already prepared about the prompt for rendering, then we can just copy this one and paste, and okay, we can render with AI and just waiting for the AI rendering like this. So it takes time, it's take a few times, so we have to be patient for waiting. Okay, perfect. This is rendering. This is the rendering result of this from the simple model to be like this. And so you can explore more about this rendering. You can explore more about the 3D models like this, or much more. You can do this. You can do that. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. And just wait for my next video. Don't forget to join the membership in the link on the description, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.